driving through rural Austria after leaving Graz, and we're heading down to Bad Gleichenberg?
Not Bad Gleichenberg.
Berg, there you go, Berg or a back. Back to the Berg. Anyway, that's where we're heading, where we have a B&B for the night, and where we're meeting Uli, your cousin, eh?
Cousin stays there, yeah.
So well, she stays at the Irish Cold Off, which is just next door to it. So just thought we'd show you a wee piece of rural Austria off the motorways and autobahns and things like that, because it's beautiful.
Yeah, nice piece of the country.
We're only on the road for about an hour today. Charging took a bit longer than we thought. Partly because there was this huge car boot sale as we had to get through to get to the charger, and then for some reason, although the badge is 250 kilowatt chargers, I think the fastest we got was 140, and then it just slowly dropped from there like it does, but took a little bit longer than we thought, but only an hour's drive, so it's not too bad. We've got about 20 minutes to go.
Now your destination is on the left.
And there we go. Straight ahead of the roundabout. And the garage. There you go. That's to get into the car wash. I'm kind of dubbed here.
Straight through.
Straight through will end up not in the car park.
She's here. Yes.
Follow her?
We follow you.
You follow me.
Okay.
Let's go back a wee touch.
Yeah,
she's going back as well. Alright. Well, this guy's coming in now. Did I get what's happening here? Or she's reversing on the street. I'm not allowed to go out that way.
Yeah. Go it that way as well.
That doesn't say no entry here.
Oh,
so
okay. Right.
That's why I got it here.
Right.
Oh, come on, pal, I can't go unless you go. I can't get rid there.
Nice. I think she has to park.
I don't know.
Okay, in here.
Is it
In
here?
there,
Okay,
yeah.
right. Oh, she won't be parking there.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Park there.
Whoa!
There, you got it. Walk and walk.
Beautiful spot, isn't it?
So
It's
nice.
beautiful.
Lovely.
It's here very busy in the summertime. Tourists are not so bad.
More than now, but
Yes.
but not
But
so
not so bad.
overcrowded.
No.
Not so overcrowded.
Yeah, right.
It's he thinks it's flats. It's flats,
Beautiful spot,
isn't it?
Yeah.
But this was all rebuilt only a few years
And
ago.
then here, look.
Oh, is this like a concert thing?
Nice, yeah. Oh, he says there's music here.
Oh,
Yeah.
how cool is that? I'd like to thank you both for coming.
Sing for us.
No.
No.
That's a bad idea. That's beautiful.
That's really nice.
Isn't it? So yeah, there's different themes.
They've got a good seat there.
Yes, yeah. So there's different types of music
Oh, I can imagine, yeah.
all the time, so really nice. It's well supported by the very well supported by the locals.
Yeah, I would think so. I would hope so.
Yes.
Feels up market as well.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It says it feels affluent. Money, there's money.
Yeah.
But
You must come to Scotland, you bring every piece of clothing you have because you may need it all.
So what kind of sword is this?
what?
What kind of sword is this?
A special Scottish one. No, that's in the car. Yeah. It's been bad.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, it is. buildings are. The buildings are all nice. It's yeah, really, really pierced. So, how far away from here do you live?
If you go straight like this, maybe 1 kilometer.
Oh,
Yeah?
so yeah.